guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful chunky knit pillow, and you can use whatever kind of chunky knit yarn you want to. I've chosen to go with this like fuzzy chenille type material. It's like a towel or a bathrobe because I wanted to make this for my son, so I know he'd really like it. But you could also use Hobby Lobby Showstopper yarn to make a cheaper one, or Michael's Loops and Threads, or you could find some chunky knit yarn online to purchase. So anyway, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so for this tutorial you're going to need some chunky knit yarn. I am using the Yarn Bee Eternal Bliss Teal. It is fantastic. It kind of feels like a really soft bathrobe. I think it's that chenille material. This is 100% polyester, and we're actually going to use our hands and a table to knit this pillow. And then you will need a pillow insert. I got a 12 by 12, so this size that I'm showing you is for a 12 by 12. So it says that it was $5.99, but I actually used my 40% off coupon, so I got it for like $3 something. And this yarn was $6.99, but it was also 30% off. So this whole project came in under 10 bucks, which is fantastic. So both of these added up together with the discounts and the coupon came up to $8.48. So yes, this whole entire pillow was less than $10. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is make our slip knot. And the way we do that is we just fold over, and then pull through. Okay. And we want it to be about the size of our thumb. And that's what size we want all of them to be. And we're going to do chain 7 across. So 1, just pull it through. 2, and as I'm pulling the working yarn towards me, so I'm twisting. Like 3, see that? 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Then we're going to start going up this way. Just pull through 1. Okay, and now let's look in here. So in our chain, we have a top hole here, and we have a bottom hole as well. And for the first part, we're going to go through the top hole, and then I'll show you what to do after, because we're actually going to kind of go around to kind of make our pillow go up. So we're going to pull through this top little part. As you go down, it's going to get a little bit tighter. Just keep that in mind. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 down here. Okay. Once we have 7 across that side, we're going to turn our work around, just like this. This is our tail, so we're not going to mess with that. And we're going to go into the bottom part of each one. So 4, 5, 6, 7, we'll start here. Okay. And you just pull through. Just like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Okay. Now we're going to turn our work one more time, and we're going to keep turning our work as we go. Let's see, we came out of this one. So 1, 2, and pretty soon we're actually going to start folding up as we go as well. And you'll see what I mean. Okay, turn around this way. This is still our tail part that's confusing me here. Make sure not to miss any. Okay, now we can probably start folding our work up. Maybe. No, not yet. So as you see, it's going to take a few rounds for us to get there, so folding it. But we just have to make sure we get to a point of folding it before it goes too far, because then the top of our pillow will be looser than the bottom part. And we definitely want a consistent pillow. What did I just do? There we go. To make sure we're not missing any. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, now it will fold up. As we're working, we're actually working on the outside of our pillow. So the inside is the side that looks kind of bumpy. You see that? So basically, we just keep doing this until we get up to the top of our pillow. So right about here, you'll meet me back here. Alright guys, we have about 3 feet of yarn left, and this is going to now fit our pillow. So we gently put it in, and what I mean by gently is we just don't want this our stitches to come out. Okay, we just gently put it in there. Then we start pulling up around the bottom part, and your pillow is in. And at this point, all we have to do is close up the top. Now, the way I'm going to show you is we're basically going to put each stitch together that it corresponds to. And the cool thing about this is you can take your pillow out. It's going to be a teeny bit of work, but you can take your pillow out so you can wash what you've knitted. So let's just get started here. So basically this stitch is going to line up with this stitch here. So we're just going to put them together and take the yarn and pull it through, just like that, okay? Then we're going to take these 2 stitches, line them up, take your yarn, and pull it through, okay? Then we're going to take these 2 stitches, and you take your yarn and just pull it through. We're just going to do that all the way down. Then we're at the end, so we're going to pull through the last 2. Kind of make a little loop here.
What?
My 4-year-old has decided to join us, and pull through that last one to make your knot. Okay. Then we're going to, after we made our little knot, then we're going to take and cut to leave just about maybe 6 inches, so we can easily hide it and easily find it. And we're just going to put it in here. Okay, and you just kind of hide it. And there's our beautiful pillow. So anyway, when you want to wash your pillow, you will just find that piece of yarn that's on the end, and then you will just undo that top where you tied the 2 ends together. You'll just undo that, take it out, and then you will want to tie a little knot on the end of it, and then hand wash it. And then after you lay flat to dry, you can put it back on your pillow, so that way you can actually wash your pillowcase. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video.